Today, I will show you how to update a standalone ESXi host to the latest patch version. From ESXi 8.0.2 onwards, the command set for patching has changed. So if you are trying to patch ESXi 8.0.2 or later, you need to carefully follow these steps. This is my ESXi host. Currently, it's running version ESXi 8.0 Update 3. You can always confirm your build number in the configuration section and cross-check it with Broadcom's official documentation. As you can see, my host is at 8.0 Update 3, and I will now apply the latest patch version. I've already downloaded the patch update bundle from Broadcom. The patch version I'll be applying is ESXi 8.0 Update 3G. First, upload the patch file to your datastore. Wait until the upload is complete. Next, enable the SSH service on the host because we need to connect via PuTTY to run the required commands. Before applying the update, put the host into maintenance mode. Now, open an SSH session to the ESXi host. First, list the image profiles available in the bundle using this command. Here you can see the output of the commands. Each line represents an image profile available in the patch package. The profiles ending with standard include VMware tools. The ones ending with no tools do not include VMware tools. For normal patching, we usually pick the latest standard profile, include VMware tools. Next, validate the changes before applying the update by running a dry run. Use this command, and at the end, insert the profile name that we found in the previous step. Once the dry run completes successfully, apply the patch. Use the same command as the dry run, but simply remove the dry run option. Wait until the patch update completes. After the update is done, reboot the host to apply all changes. Once the reboot is complete, verify the patch was applied successfully in the web console. Now you can see that the ESXi running version is 8.0 Update 3, and the image profile is ESXi 8.0 U3G. Finally, exit the host from maintenance mode. That's it. Your standalone ESXi host is now updated to the latest patch version. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more VMware tutorials.